Hi and welcome to Bob Harper Jukebox Amplifier Repairs, and on the bench we've got a Seeburg amplifier. This is a model RA5/L6. I'm not sure what it's out of. I think it might be out of an HF100R. I'm not quite sure. Anyway, it's come in for repair. It's blown up one of its filter capacitors. So obviously all the filter caps have been replaced, coupling caps. Customer supplied a new 5U4. I had to supply a pair of output valves and a 6SL7 there. The rest of the valves tested okay, so they've been left as is. Quick snips of music so that you can hear it playing. These sound absolutely awesome, these amps. Bass and treble on them is unbelievable. I got it coming from my iPod here, as you can see, then through a little box here that takes out the RIAA curve to mimic. Otherwise it'd be too much bass going in, and obviously 25 millivolts out, which is what the magnetic cartridge in a seeburg pumps out. Right, so we'll put it on, just a few snips.
Against my window, sweet memory. I can't stand the rain against my window.
This is the AVC. If I take this out, volume ramps down.
I've been loving you too long.
Okay, that's enough of that, otherwise I'm going to get the video music deleted. So what I'll do now, I'll stop this video and you can turn the amp underneath and have a look to see what work's been done. Right, so on the underside of the amplifier, as I say, one of the filter caps had exploded according to the customer, so I've replaced them tag strip with the new electrolytics on there. Unfortunately on this amp, the main power resistor, which is on the top there, that's the old bottom of it there, was snapped off, so I mounted some 25 watt resistors here to take the place of that one on the top. These crocodile leads here are just temporary, obviously, to make the amp work. Moving up the amp, we've obviously replaced all the coupling capacitors and electrolytics, and there is quite a bit in this amplifier that needed replacing, so obviously anything that did need replacing I've replaced, and now it sounds absolutely perfect. Fantastic sound off these Seeburg amps. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this short video. The next amplifier up on the bench is a very early AMI amplifier, a CC model. So that's quite an interesting amplifier. Never worked on one before. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching.